In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the session indicator in TradingView. By the end, you'll have clear, color-coded market sessions on your chart so you can quickly see when the major trading hours begin and end and how price behaves across those periods. Start by opening your TradingView chart and make sure you're on an intraday time frame. The session indicator is designed for shorter intervals, so choose something like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes. If you're on a daily or higher time frame, the sessions won't display the way you expect because they rely on precise start and end times within each trading day. Next, head to the top toolbar and click Indicators. This opens the indicator library. In the search box, type Trading Sessions. You'll see it appear in the results list. Select the Trading Sessions indicator. As soon as you add it, your chart will draw colored boxes that span each market session. These visual blocks help you separate periods like the Asian, European, and US hours at a glance, making it easier to compare volatility, trends, and breakouts by session. If the chart feels too busy or the colors don't stand out enough, you can fine-tune everything. On your chart, hover over the indicator's name and click the gear icon to open the settings. Here you can adjust the start and end times for each session to match your preferences or the way you track the markets. You can also change the time zone, which is especially helpful if you trade from a different region or want the sessions to align with your local clock. Finally, choose the colors that best fit your chart theme so each session is easy to distinguish without overpowering your price candles. A couple of quick tips as you tweak settings. Make sure your session times reflect the markets you actually follow, especially around daylight saving changes when local and exchange times can shift. Pick colors with enough contrast so you can still read your indicators and price action clearly. And if you mainly focus on 1 or 2 sessions, highlight those and use subtler colors for the others to reduce visual noise. That's it. Open an intraday chart. Add the Trading Sessions indicator from the Indicators menu, and adjust the session times, time zone, and colors using the gear icon. With those simple steps, you'll have a clean, informative view of market sessions that can improve your timing and context throughout the trading day.